Stop the track.
Hey y'all, this is Really TT. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Yes, today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. But before we get into this celebration, because I will be celebrating real big, I wanted to go ahead and share with y'all some things that I am letting go. I'm going to share with y'all some things that I've been through. Some of you may like it, some of you may not. Some of you may leave, some of you may stay. Anywho, thank you so much for the thumbs up. I'm going to go ahead and get right on into it. What I have to share with y'all is not easy. There is no right way to say it. There is no wrong way to say it. This is my truth. From the age of 6 to 8 years old, I was unfortunately sexually assaulted and sodomized by two of my caregiver's grandsons. For years, I felt like there was something wrong with me, and I was afraid of my own voice. My anxiety level was so high. I was so scared. I blamed myself. I've held on to the secret for years. I didn't tell anyone. I didn't even tell my parents because I was afraid. When I turned 16 years old, I became acquainted with someone whom I befriended. He was very much so older than me, but I felt safe and comfortable. I was able to confide in him with my deepest, darkest secrets, and I felt like I had a friend, someone that I can talk to. One day, I went over to hang out with him, and I just started seeing random females coming in and out of his house. They were dressed in club attire, but it was broad daylight outside. And then it hit me. Oh my God, he was a pimp. After I realized what was going on, I understood why he was so nice to me. I was so scared, once again, felt uneasy, and I was shocked. I got ready to leave, and sadly, that was yet another day that my body was invaded. He locked me in the room after his workers left and took total advantage of me. I felt so powerless, cried, and begged quietly to God. For years and a lot of tears, I was depressed and always on edge. I was an aggressive bulimic for years. I tried to take my life a few times. I slit my wrist 3 times, and I swallowed a bottle of pills 2 times. But God, I'm still here. I'm still working on me. I still have a lot to learn. Now let's continue my celebration.